Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a super fast and simple, hopefully, eyeshadow look. I kind of want to look like my background today. I got a product in my latest BoxyCharm that made me want to do this look. This is the Basic Beauty Glowy AF Wet Glow palette. You've got 3 highlighters in it. They're like a putty texture, which is awesome, but the problem that I had with these is using them as highlighters, the shades just were way too off for my skin tone. I do use this one as a blush. I've used it several times and so far I really like it because I like the glowiness of it. You can sheer it out pretty well. It's just pretty good. But the other two, I love the colors and the texture of it all, but like I said, as a highlighter, it just does not work for my skin tone. It didn't look right. So I want to use it as an eyeshadow. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I want to use this rose gold and probably some glitter from another palette and do just a super easy look. So if you have not already, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my other videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's continue. I did do the rest of my face, foundation, bronzer, whatever. The lips, I'm just wearing a Steve Laurent lip liner. This is in the shade Vogue, and then on top I'm wearing my Becca Glow Gloss. I don't even know what shade this is. It's just a pretty sparkly gold, so let's zoom you in a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so normally I would prime with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot, but I kind of already did prime with my eyeshadow and concealer, and since I'm going to be using a wet textured product anyways, I didn't see the need to prime. I want to keep this look as simple and as fast. I want to be able to do a beautiful rose gold glowy look that takes 5 minutes basically. So I'm just going to take my finger, my ring finger, and go into the shade Fiji, this beautiful rose gold, and I'm just going to pat it all over the lid to start out with. It is going just a tiny bit in my crease, but that's mostly from me opening up my eyes. Since I have hooded eyes, it transfers just a little bit up there, which is perfectly fine with me. It'll help to open my eyes a little bit more. Cool, I've got a good amount on. This is very pretty just as it is, but what I'm going to do is throw some glitter on it. Alright, I was going to keep this super simple, but as I was looking for glitter in my eyeshadow palettes, I looked inside my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, and I cannot help but to use the shade Pink Diamond. It's a beautiful rose gold shadow. So I'm going to take my Morphe M167, it's a packing brush, and I am just going to pack that over top of the eyeshadow towards the outer corner. I'm not going to bring it all the way in, but I just want to create a little bit more dimension. Wow, that shade is stunning. I don't want to take it all the way in though because I want that wetness from the highlighter. It's not necessarily wet and it does dry down, but it does have a texture to it. So I want to keep that to help the glitter to stick. I'm taking it in about halfway on the lid. Okay, cool. That's good enough. That's all I'm going to do. I don't want to mess with it anymore. For glitter, I am going to go in with the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette, and I am going to take the Poet glitter, which is this row here, the rose gold glitter. I'm going to put it on my ring finger and pack it on starting in the middle, and then I will slowly bring it in and out. Now I'm going to go in with the Aura glitter, which is right next to it. I'm going to take a pencil brush. This is, I think, a Crown. Oh, this is a Moda Studio pencil brush. I'm going to take that Aura shade and put it in the inner corner and blend it into the Poet glitter. Perfect. I love it. Now I do have some fallout, so I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and whisk that away. I'm going to take that same pencil brush, go back into the rose gold palette and use the shade Risque, right there, and just tap a tiny bit on the outer corner, just to bring a little bit of color back in. My problem is I want to do something super simple. I mean, this look is still simple, but literally all I wanted to do was do a highlight and a glitter over top of it, and now I've already got like 5 colors. So this is not what I originally intended. But when I just see it all, I have to use it all. I can't help myself. I'm gonna run that under the lash line just a tiny bit. I'm not pulling it in very far, maybe about halfway. And that is all I want to do for my eye look. Again, this is a little more complex than I originally wanted it to be, but it's still pretty. I think if I would have went with my original plan, I probably would have liked it better. I wanted a very simple, just one glitter on top of that highlight shade, just to make it just a simple luxury looking pop. But I mean, this is still pretty. It's just not what I originally intended. It's okay. Someday I'll just be able to do one color glitter and call it a day. Let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got mascara on and my face is completely done. I used a little bit of my Lorac Royal Treatment Primer Mascara Duo. I just used the primer side, and then I used my NARS Climax mascara, so it turned out alright. This one needs to be retired. The wand is, let me show you what the wand looks like. It's so horrible and gunky. This mascara, I gotta say, I didn't use it very much, and this one did not last very long compared to most of my other mascaras. So basically, that is my final look. I just wanted to do a really fast glam look, and that's it. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is so great for the holidays and stuff when you want to look really good, but you don't want to take a lot of time to do it, because literally that took, I think, 5 minutes, and like I said, we could have made it more simple and still glam. I just kept going with it. This was a fast look. I mean, the face, obviously, you still have to count in that time, but if your eyes, my eyes are typically what takes the longest because I don't know what I'm doing, or I'm sitting there blending for so long. So this was just so simple. A little pat, pat, pat on the eye. That's all you gotta do, and that's it. So let me know what you guys think. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.